Hello guys, welcome to new video, and let's start with DXY chart. As you can see, DXY chart has moved pretty in a trend for the past few months. Last year during September we had been in nice uptrend because of the positive data about USA, Trump wins elections, and it was anticipated from him that he will put tariffs, so more tariffs, more inflation in US, no need to cut rates. But as we can see during January, 110 level, it was the highest level since 2022, and as we can see, we started to fade away. Why? Because nothing new. US data must beat forecast by a lot to still go higher. Otherwise, it will consolidate. If we see softening data, it could push dollar lower because it is already really extended. There was concerns about Trump's tariffs, Atlanta Fed forecast lower GDP in USA, tensions between Trump and Jerome Powell, softening inflation, rate cut bets. Then we had big down push. This was during summer holidays, summer days. There was not that much movement, and from the September till now we had a nice rally because we had hawkish Fed, Jerome Powell, and hawkish staff members. But now we are at the critical level of 100 level, and tomorrow PPI data. It is the most important news this week, and if this news came higher, it will lower the percentage of the rate cut bets in December. But if we came lower than expected, it is expected that we can see higher bets or 100 percentage of rate cuts in December. And US 10 years yields, as you can see, we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Like now we are at this like downtrend, and we didn't manage to close above this area, so I think we can go lower, but we will see. On the British pound it is a little bit different because on Wednesday it is expected that the British pound traders await the UK's November 26th budget, and the most important thing about that is the most important factor is the worsening fiscal outlook plus high probability of rate cuts, and which together create a bearish bias for the pound in the short term. So by the end of the year I'm looking for shorts on the pound. The trades I'm in right now is Euro USD. Why? Because we've been very bearish. You need to trade cent. During this period, it was expected that Fed won't cut rates as much as expected. So that was bullish for dollar, and we've been in Euro USD shorts. But it was like a little bit uncertain about new rate cuts and rate holds. So we've been bullish on the euro, and right now I think we can get 1.16 level. I think this trade has potential because UK's data is a little bit concerning, while Australia's data is in very healthy trend. Gold is still in consolidation, and yeah, I don't know, I'm out of this trade, of this pair. I won't look it, but resell level is 4200 level and buy level is 4k. So during this time you need to be careful because it is not clear where it will go. So the best trade idea is to not look at this chart. And yeah, that's it for this video, and see you in the next one.